Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing another week of Misfits Market. So I get this every 2 weeks. You do have the option of weekly or bi-weekly. I do 2 weeks because I didn't know what to expect at first. This is good for us for almost 2 weeks. We do have to do like one little fill-in. We do get their Madness box, which is 18 to 20 pounds, and it's only $34 a box. There is a more affordable box. It's called the Mischief, and that is $19. Let me know if you guys are getting bored of these videos, if you like these videos, if you want to keep seeing them. I'm not sure. I know you like them, but how many times? Because it is every 2 weeks. If it's too much, just let me know down below. But I'm gonna unbox this one. It just arrived. Honestly, I was just like, let's just do it real quick. So here we go. You can look right here and see there's a ton of avocados. Ooh, and some sort of, is this okra or a cucumber? It's a cucumber. So there are, oh my, 1, 2, I'm gonna have to put them on my floor. I feel bad doing that, but they're gonna get washed. All right, so there's 3 cucumbers so far. Tons of these, 1, 2, we'll just start counting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And they do send a weekly list to help you kind of understand 10, 11, 12 of what they're gonna send, what are options, but every box is different. I forget where I was at, 13 maybe? About 13 of those oranges, little tangerines, whatever they're called, Clementine, sweet, I don't know, what do you guys call them? This looks like, I don't know what the bag is in a knot. Oh, yeah, actually, all right, I don't know what this is. It looks like some sort of a leaf. Should I try to rip it? If I rip it, then it's all. And this is supposedly, oh, it's spinach, an ugly vegetable. However, none of this looks ugly to me. Does it look ugly to you? And I'm believing this is the same. So 2 bags of spinach. I see 1, 2. I love cucumbers. I make a sumac salad and I use fattoush dressing. So there are 5 of those cucumbers. I love 6 of them actually. I love cucumbers. 1, 2. Oh, this is going to be some great guacamole. 2. And avocados are expensive, so it's nice to get them in a box like this. 3, 4. See, like, I don't even see why this would be considered ugly. Like, I don't know, whatever. There's 4 avocados. And we need Pico. We have Taco Tuesday every week. So Pico, the guy, you always need limes. So there's 3, 4, 5 limes. And I use these in tons of other stuff. These little cherry tomatoes. These are Juno Bites, red grape tomatoes. I put these in lunches, salads, everything. My girls love these. All my kids love these. The last one, these are organic too, I think. If you watched the last video, these flew out all over the box. So it's nice that they didn't this time. It's pretty cool. All right, then we've got, this looks like a different kind of cucumber. 2 of those. I really hope those are cucumbers and not zucchini. Are these zucchinis? Am I wrong? Somebody will correct me. Don't worry. All right, a bunch of carrots with their tops. This is some sort of thing. Oh, it's a bell pepper. So there are 2 of those. It's a green bell pepper. More bell peppers. Wow, everything is bagged this time. It kind of changes. I don't know if it depends on who was working or what. And there's 2 more of those. More carrots. I've been dipping these in hummus lately. It's like a great healthy option. Another limes. What does that mean? 6 limes? 6 limes in total. 4 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those onions are huge. Oh, is that collards again? Oh, yes. My husband's going to be tickled tonight. I think that's what it is. Organic collards. Yep. So there's that. We love collards. And I know a lot of you guys have responded that you do too. These are sugar snap peas. That's a big portion too. That's totally enough for us for one meal. Like the spinach, spinach cooks down. So I prefer, honestly, when they send those bags, to either use that for myself for lunch or to just make a salad, because then you kind of get it's like you're getting a little more. So these are more snap peas. And here's the bottom of the box. So there is 1 more cucumber. Dang it, I think those were zucchinis and I was calling them cucumbers. Another butternut squash. I made butternut squash soup the last box we got, and it was phenomenal. Everyone in my family liked it. And so I took the other butternut squash and made soup again with it. Sweet potatoes, these are huge. There's 4 in total. I just make these for my lunch and use it as my starch. I eat a 1/4 cup. If you're curious what I eat in a day since I'm starting to diet, well, since I've been dieting, I eat a 1/4 cup of sweet potatoes for lunch every day, or brown rice. Typically though it's sweet potatoes because I always have them now. I just make them in a batch all at once, and usually that lasts me the whole week. So then we have also 4 yellow onions. So in this box for $34, and they do have a referral program. If your friend subscribes, you both get 25% off your next box. So it brings the total down to $30. And thank you guys for subscribing. I've saved a lot of money on this box. It's only 1 box at a time though. So if 2 friends subscribe, 1 box, and then your next box, so you don't get 50% off. You see what I'm saying there? See what I'm saying? I will do a full review on my blog as well. I'll link to that. I'll also link to Misfits Market, obviously with my referral. So we have 4 huge sweet potatoes, 4 yellow onions, a butternut squash, 2 carrot bunches, 1 bunch of collards, so actually there was another bag, right? Yeah, 4 green bell peppers, love those. Snap peas, 1 bag, and then 2 bags. The spinach, which I'm gonna keep the open bag here so I don't forget. All right, the cucumbers. I mean, can you believe all this for this price? So 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 4. Oh, it rolled away. 4 oranges, 4 avocados. 4 is like the lucky number with this box, I noticed. 6 of these smaller zucchinis. I'm pretty sure they're zucchinis because they have the tops, so. Or maybe they're not either. I'm always surprised they always have some interesting inclusions. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 Tangelos. 2, 4, 6 limes, and these 2 buckets of tomatoes. Can you believe this for $30? I am like impressed so much. So let me know down below if you like these videos like I asked. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.